Introducing Huntie, the new way to treasure hunt. Huntie provides a simple platform for creating and playing treasure hunt games. Huntie is a web application dedicated to anyone who wishes to create a treasure hunt game, and as such is a great tool for birthday parties and events. The platform also provides monitoring and editing tools for the game managers, and thus is suitable for commercial use as well. Let us see Huntie in action. This is the home screen. From here, we'll see the process of creating a game. Games in Huntie can be team games or solo games. The default is solo game. In a solo game, each player will have to face the game's riddles and challenges on his own. In a team game, however, each player is part of a team of players, with shared goals, and the team competes against other teams. Let's add a team. And because a team game can be played with just one team, we'll add in a second team. After selecting the game type, we now reach the game builder. Using the game builder, you can add levels to your game. Each level is made up of several riddles designed and created by the game manager. To complete a game, a player must complete all of its levels by solving all of the riddles in each level. When a player or team reaches the final level, they will embark on the final quest for the treasure, which will culminate in a race to the finish line and the treasure it hides. Let's create a riddle for our game. Okay, so let's add in a name. And riddle type. Oh yeah, in Huntie, a riddle can be one of two types. A text riddle, a question with a text answer. For example, let's say we're playing a treasure hunt with a Greek mythology theme. So good riddle will be, how many heads does Cerberus have? The answer for this would be 3. Now, the riddle will look like this. Another type of riddles in Huntie is photo riddles. Just like the text riddle, the photo riddle is defined by its answer type, a photo. For this riddle type, the player must take a photo, using his own camera, of a real-world object. For example, let's say we're playing in Jaffa and we encounter this riddle. The face of time in the Jaffa square is the key. Now, to solve this riddle, the player will have to reach the Jaffa square, find the clock tower, take a photo of the clock tower, and then answer the question. Now back at the riddle builder, we'll just finish the riddle. As you can see, we added in some missing information, including an optional image that the player will see when he tries to solve the riddle. We'll also make this riddle a location-based riddle. This will ensure that the player will have to be at the designated location in order to solve the riddle. And with that, we've created our first riddle for this game. This is how it would look like if we decided to add the Jaffa Tower riddle. Fortunately, we don't have to create the rest of the riddles for this particular game right now. Instead, let's join the game that was created beforehand. This is a team game. The first team is full, so let's just join the third team. Its name was chosen by the game creator. This is the game lobby screen. Here you can see the statistics about the other players in your team and about the other teams. It looks as though our teammate has already solved one riddle before he got here, but we're still behind the other team. So let's help him a bit. Oh boy, this question looks a bit tough. Well, I hope you guys can solve it. With that, we shall conclude our presentation. Huntie was developed using a simple web architecture. The client side is based on the Bootstrap library and built using HTML pages, CSS, and JavaScript. The server side uses an Apache Tomcat server and JPA-based database called ObjectDB. The code contains within it complex libraries such as computer vision library called Tracking.js, providing real-time photo analysis for the photo riddles, and Google Maps API for the Maps integration. Huntie is not the only treasure hunt web application available in the market. There are geocaching and Click-a-Clue, but where their main focus is on creating a social platform or just a photo-based riddles platform, Huntie is set to provide a complete experience for treasure hunt games. Whether you'd like a simple text-based riddle game, a scavenger hunt, or a complex game in which you have to reach real-world locations and take pictures of real-world items, Huntie is set to provide you with the platform to do so. There are many more things to discover in Huntie. Think, explore, and hunt for treasures.